Oh, hey guys. I was just doing a bit of juggling, trying to get a bit of sunshine out here today. How many of you guys can juggle? Well, you don't need much to be able to juggle. I've, for example, got a couple of tennis balls lying about, and you can juggle with tennis balls, you could juggle with rolled up socks, maybe an apple, depends on what you have lying about the place. But it's pretty easy, really. It just takes a bit of time. Alrighty, the first thing you want to do is grab a ball or a sock or piece of fruit, throw it up in the air just a little bit higher than your head, and catch it with the other hand. So watch this. And practice doing that until you can get pretty comfortable with it. When you catch the ball, drop your hand down, ready to throw again. Just practice that from your left hand to your right hand, your left hand to your right hand, until you get really comfortable. This could take a few hours, could take a few minutes, could take a few weeks, depending. But the one thing I do know is if you're not able to do it well yet, it's just because you haven't done it enough yet. That's all. Just new learning. Alrighty, once you get really good at this part of it, you might pick up a second ball, maybe a rolled up sock, piece of fruit, something like that. Okay? Now what you're going to be looking for this time is when you throw the first ball up in the air, it gets to as high as it's going to go, and then it starts to fall. That's the point where you want to throw your second ball. So watch this. So I'm going to throw the ball up in the air. When it's as high as it's going to go, you'll notice that's when my other hand throws the other ball. So watch this. Okay? Let's practice that again. Alrighty? Now, you want to just do that over and over until you get pretty comfortable with it. Okay? Remember, you're always looking for when that first ball just starts to fall. Right when it gets to the top. Alrighty? Now, once you get really good at this, there again, it could take minutes, could take hours, could take weeks, but until you practice it enough, you probably won't be able to do it. So if you want to be able to do it, you just do it. Alrighty? Now, to get your third ball, you need to hold one ball between your pinky and your thumb. If you're right-handed, I hold it in my right hand. Put the second ball just resting on those three fingers. Okay? Now, I start off with my first ball the same as normal. Then I throw this ball, and the same thing I'm watching for when the ball just starts to fall. So let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Remember, always watching for when that ball just starts to fall. Now, I threw the first ball up, and then when it started to fall, I threw the second ball up. Now that's when I throw the third ball. Watch very closely. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now, to be able to juggle 3 balls, you just need to keep that pattern going like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So if you can keep that pattern going, then they just call that juggling. Alrighty? It's funny because counting by 3's, that reminded me of another song. Here, let me get my ukulele. Hi guys, I grabbed my ukulele. Now, when you juggle, if you're juggling 3 balls, you could talk about them in cycles. And in maths, if you're looking for patterns, it lends itself to learning your 3 times tables. So after you juggle 1 cycle, you've juggled 3 times. 2 cycles is 6 times. 3 cycles is 9 times. So we could sing a little bit of a song about that. 1 3 is 3, 2 3's are 6, 3 3's are 9, 4 3's are 12, 5 3's are 15, 6 3's are 18, 7 3's are 21, 8 3's are 24, 9 3's are 27, 10 3's are 30, 11 3's are 33, 12 3's are 36. Oh, I muddled that up. That's all right. Don't care. Part of juggling is making a lot of mistakes and dropping the ball a lot, okay? And when I learned to play the ukulele, well, I'm still learning. I'll make a lot of mistakes, and I don't care. I'm just having fun. Alrighty? So, remember, counting by 3's, you could practice it by juggling and just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or you can go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. A lot of different things you can do with juggling. Learning can just be a lot of fun. Alrighty, take care. See you guys.